Hello. Today I'll be showing you how to export questions from QB² using QTI XML export, and then how to import those questions into Canvas. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have your spreadsheet set up with questions. Here we are using the sample spreadsheet that is available on our website, which I will link down below in the video description. If you need help setting up your QB² spreadsheet, you can also watch our other tutorials, which I'll have linked in the description as well. Then, when your spreadsheet is ready, you're going to go to Addons, QB² Question Bank Quick Builder, Export to, QTI XML Canvas, which is currently in beta. And then, if you have any unsupported question types, which at the time of recording would be Moodle recording, drag, drop, and close, you will receive warnings for these unsupported question types. And if you're okay with the way that QTI XML export handles these questions for Canvas, then you can accept and you can continue exporting. And then after a short time, the code will export and you will receive a zip file downloaded into your Google Drive. You can then download the zip file and then go to your Canvas course, click Quizzes, and then create a quiz by pressing plus quiz in the top right. Click New Quizzes, and name your quiz. Here we'll just call it New Canvas Quiz. And then go to the top right corner after building the quiz and click Import Content. Once you do that, you can just drag the zip that you downloaded earlier. And there you go, your quiz will be uploaded. If you'd like, you can preview your quiz to see how it would look to a student. Thank you for using QB² and good luck.